Hi everyone, welcome to Data Server. My name is Taiwo. Our topic today is to show you how to calculate total hour work in Excel and fix negative time errors in hours calculation. As you can see from the screen capture, the common error is to calculate overnight shift. We have 5 working hours on Wednesday. From the candidate work from 8 p.m., which is in the evening, towards 4 a.m. in the morning, and the appropriate hour is supposed to be 8. The column F6 show you negative value of 16 hours, which is wrong. So I'm going to launch our Microsoft Excel 2024 to show you how to do this and resolve this kind of error. And please note, you can use this formula for any Microsoft Excel, be it 2007, 10, 13, 19, 16, and the latest one, which is Microsoft Excel 2024, as well as 365. I'm going to launch my Microsoft Excel template. As you can see, this is the already done, which is Excel hour sample tab. The appropriate formula apply to this G column and give us the total accurate hour of 49 hours, while the error one give us 25 hours, which is wrong. So let me quickly show you how to do this. So I'm going to click on the Excel hours tutorial tab. So there you go. So all we need to do, first and foremost, we have to format our column F and G, because that is where we want to showcase our total hour work. So we format it to, after the selection, right mouse click and click format cell. Go to custom, move your bar towards end of the type you want to select. Make sure you select H column MM where you have AM and PM. So we are working with both AM and PM. So our formula is linked to that. And the next thing to do, add your formula to column F4. And all we need to do, we put our equal sign, open bracket, then we do E4 minus D4. And we want everything to be for capital letter, it doesn't matter. E4, it's not case sensitive anyway. So then you close your bracket and you multiply by 24, then you press enter. Then you multiplicate to end of the column. You remove this because this total, we come back to that later on. As you can see, this is showing this hash sign as error. So it's going to show us the real value. We have to format this again for the second time to number, and to do that we select our F column and we go to home menu and we click under the type, we select to be number. So that's it, that's what we've done. As you can see, this is still showing negative value, which is minus 16. So we want this thing to be the same size so that we can be legible to see it. So I'm going to change this size to 18. So just to show you so you can see it very well. So that's it. So this is wrong, it's not given us. Let me just, before we go further, do the total sum. The total sum, I select from F4 to F9, then I press the short key to calculate total sum is alternative equal plus sign keyboard. So it gives us 25, which is wrong. And to do the appropriate calculation, we're going to come to our G4 and add our formula that will give us the accurate formula and show you why the error in the first F column, which is F6 precisely. So our proper calculation will be based on if condition equal if. That's our if condition starts with the formula E4 greater than D4. You have to put comma, then open our bracket, E4 minus D4, close bracket, So if that condition is met, it's going to retain our normal formula that we use initially. So then if that condition is not met, we're going to use another formula, E4 minus D4, and the difference is that this particular one that's doing the magic is this plus 1 that we add now is we will close our bracket and close the bracket for the second time. So whatever the condition that is met is going to multiply any selected condition by 24 as well, and we press enter key, and that's it. And this is not making sense to us because it's showing as in AM 6 AM, which is not what we want. So to do that, before I duplicate to the rest of the column, I can either do any of the option first or second. Let me just do it second. Let's just multiplicate all this. You can see everything showing as AM. So you select this entire column of G and you go to home, like what we did initially, and select number under the custom, then you change it to number. As you can see, that's it. You can see this accurate. This is where the bone of contention, where the error is. So it's telling us that this is the accurate calculation. As you can see, it's very obvious. When you start working at 8 p.m. in the evening, 8 to 12 in the midnight is 4 hours. From 12 midnight to 4 p.m. in the morning is 4 hours. 4 plus 4 is 8 hours. Is correct. So we're going to do the total sum. Initially, I use shortcut key. I'm going to use proper one. I'll go to home, just select the sum symbol, then it gives us the value. So you can see this is how to do it. It's not because of the formula is complex and it's simple. Immediately you understand how to do this use of formula, and this is very simple to do. So the sky is the limit. Come to our channel to learn more. So this is how to do it. It's very straightforward. So you can unleash your potential in other tutorials that are related to data analysis, like SQL, Microsoft Power BI, Microsoft Access, and some other advanced Microsoft Excel function scale. So sky is limit. Unleash your potential. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and share. Subscribe to our channel and remain your style. Stay blessed.